Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the alternator, how to remove it. And on the process, I'm also going to show you how to remove the serpentine belt, which a lot of people have trouble doing so. So first thing first, before we remove anything or before we remove the alternator, you're going to have to disconnect the battery. So you can just disconnect the positive terminal right here, so we don't damage anything on the vehicle. So all right, I'm going to show you how to remove the serpentine belt first. To remove the serpentine belt, we are going to put a 19mm socket right here on this guy right here, or if you have a 19mm wrench, you can do it as well. So just in this case, I'm going to be using this guy right here, which helps me a bunch. I already replaced a bunch of serpentine belts with this guy. I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy it. This is really strong and it's really long, so it gives you a lot of leverage to remove them. And we're going to be using the 19mm socket, like I said. And since this is a really tight spot, this tool comes in handy a lot. So I'm doing this with one hand, so let me try. Hold on. There. So we got it inside. We're going to turn this counterclockwise, which is going towards that side. So push all the way up, and then with the other hand, release the serpentine belt. If you're just going to remove the alternator, I suggest you just remove this part of the serpentine belt and do not take it out, because it's really hard to put it back in. Like I said, it's a narrow space, so you won't be able to put your hands back there. If by any chance the belt comes loose, like on this side for instance, or any other way, you can use something small like this, like a stick or anything, to guide the belt, like to put it back where it was. So all right, I'm going to remove the belt and then we go from there. We pull up and then just remove it a little bit right here. There. Then we let go. You can take this out. So we just remove the belt from the alternator. Now we can work on the alternator. Now we can disconnect these cables right here, but like I said before you do anything with the alternator, make sure you disconnect the battery just in case. I'm going to remove this one. There. Now we can start removing these cables right here. What you want to do here, just put this up, and using a 10mm socket and a ratchet, we can take this guy off. Take this out. You can put this back here so you won't lose it. Now this cable right here, you can push right here and just pull. Oops, hold on. All right, now with this one, what you can do is just push right here and pull. It pulls off. Now we have the last one, which is this one right here. Just pull this all the way up, this little cover. And same thing, just push this little plug and pull. There. So that's it. We remove everything electrical that goes on the alternator. And guys, just for you guys to know, like symptoms of a bad alternator is that it don't recharge the battery. So you get a battery icon, like a battery symbol on your dashboard. It's a red one, and that usually means the alternator is bad, or there's a small chance the battery's going out. But once you see that message on the dashboard with the battery light, is most likely the alternator going bad. All right, now to remove these cables right here, you can just push this little clip out and pull out. That's it. We can throw these all the way here. Now we have more space to work on the alternator. By the way, guys, I'm going to put a link on my description where you can buy an alternator just in case you need to purchase one. So yeah, just click below in the description and you can buy one from there. Now we're going to be using a 3/8 ratchet with a 12mm socket to remove that bolt right there. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see. I mean, we have to remove this bolt right here. I want to show you the one that's in the bottom. Hold on. That guy right there. So you won't be able to see it, like if you put your head all the way here. There is that guy right there. So I'm going to be removing it. You're going to need a socket that's like this big, so you can get it out, because if you put an extension, it's going to be too long and you won't be able to get it. There, you got it. Now we're going to be removing this one with the 3/8 and the 12mm socket. I already loosened it up. So. At this point you can already take it out, so just wiggle it out, do like this motion up and down and try pulling like up. There, and there it is right there. There. And by the way, this is the first video on YouTube on how to do it. I was browsing around and I couldn't find one. So there it is, guys. I hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please give a big thumbs up, give a like to my video, subscribe, share it. Like I said before, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can buy the alternator. Thanks for watching, guys. Just remember to replace the alternator, put it back, follow the same instructions backwards, put the serpentine belt, and don't forget to install the battery. Thanks, guys, for watching. As always, peace.